So what's going on today?
Well, this is the only thing I got done here. This is blocked up the proper height.
Yeah.
And I went to XL and bought this heavy angle iron. Now I'll put a plate in here on each side and drill it to 3/4 inch. And this is the motor mount,
Okay.
or the transmission mount. So I gotta drill this, fasten it, and get two heavy duty ears here, and then put the bolt in with lock nuts. Then I can work on the drive shaft.
Okay. So you didn't get much done today other than picking up parts, and you're pricing out some parts for another customer up north.
And I got the heavy wall tubing now, like square tubing, to go from here to here for the actual motor mount. I got to measure, drill it, fit it, and everything, and then drill this, and then I can put the rad in.
Okay. So just to work on the one Bombardier here today, but weather's turning, kind of drizzling all day. How many dogs today? Just the 3?
Today was a 4-dog day.
Okay.
One must have stayed home.
Okay.
This is the tube steel that I bought. I got to cut and fit for the motor mount.
Okay. Okay. We had some questions and comments about some of the hinges, so you gotta when you have comments, you can contact us through either Facebook. You can send me a message on Facebook, or you can send a comment on YouTube.
Okay, these were original hinges.
Original hinges right there.
And they lasted for 50 years. But then over the years, guys added shit like this.
Yeah.
Bolts too long. Put a 3/4 inch chunk of plywood in and bolt it to the firewall. Cut the frame, which was not necessary. So what we do is we just cut them off.
Yeah.
And put the smaller well-done hinges on.
Okay.
Then you can open this door in the spring if it's too hot, lift it up, put it in the back. The motor's wide open and cool, runs cool. It's just our idea.
Okay, so these grease nipples, is that something you added, or is that something you buy?
That's we buy them like that. You grease this and the whole hinge is greased.
Okay.
And there's no seizing,
Okay, so do you have those in stock that you
Yeah.
can sell? Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
so
we
you
have
can
those.
contact us. Dad's got some parts, not much, but it's getting harder to find parts around. So Dad does buy whatever that he does need for each project, but stuff's getting harder and harder to find. But just contact us, and we can give you a price. You
If
can
we
eat.
get it, if we can source it, we'll get it. For
Yeah, we can do e-transfer for shipping and yada yada. We just can't send out 1,000 pounds of material out to you. It just it's not.
They either got to pick it up or make arrangements.
Yeah.
To pick up.
We just sent a package off to Newfoundland. It was pretty easy, express post for some parts, and we also we're doing a big package for the Northwest Territories. So if you need something, let us know. Dad will say yes or no, and that'll be that. And we might be working on the swamp buggy here soon. We just got a new motor. Possibly.
Got a new motor for it and new transmission. Transmission's over here, brand new. And this is spare 318 in transmission now. But I gotta put in everything completely rebuilt.
This is the spare transmission you're talking about?
Yep.
Okay.
Put it in, forget about it for at least 10 years, providing you change oil and filter.
Okay.
A lot of this stuff is very, very low maintenance. Like a guy has a 1958 Bombardier, and he's all excited about it. He must think it's new. It's 66 years old.
Okay. Okay, so Dad does what he can and he tries.
Not loaded with patience anymore.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.